Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the road you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge. Come at you with another unboxing, first impressions video. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed about to go to work for the evening, so I'm wearing that Casio Duro. But this is a quick unboxing, first impressions of a Demasko. This is a Demasko DA37. This was lent in by Art, aka Snuggle Tommy. I will leave his Instagram link down below. Thanks, Art, for letting this in. He is part of Random Rob's Discord group, and part of that group, they send out tour watches, and he was kind enough to send out this as a tour watch. Now, ignore the box. This is an older box here, and as you can see, he wrote, this is the DA37 model. It's my first time getting to check this out. I did get to check out a Demasko a while back, so it's pretty cool to get to check out another model of Demasko. Demasko is comparable to Zen, I would say. Quick first impressions, by the way. Of course, comes in this black lacquer box. Pretty nice overall. First impressions on the box. Kind of a smudge magnet on the box, though. But first impressions on this watch is it is pretty cool. I'm going to have to do a little bit more research. So look for a full review of this guy coming up pretty soon. I do also have a white dial Zen 104 coming in from my buddy Kevin. So look for a kind of a comparison video on this and the Zen, just to compare the quality and everything side by side on the Zen and the Demasko. But overall, first impressions of this Demasko is it's a pretty cool piece. Pretty great everyday wear. It looks like it will go great with a lot of different straps, a lot of different options, and really well built, especially for the right around $1,000 price point. I believe these retail for right around $1,100, $1,200. Most of the Demaskos do. And they do have almost a lot of the same technology that Zen does, and a lot of the build quality that Zen does. Overall, first impressions, really great piece for the money. Can't complain about it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Are you looking at Demasko? Have you looked at Demasko? Are you looking at Zen or Demasko? Is that one of your two brands that you're choosing between? Have you had either one, or have you had the Demasko before? And again, if you haven't, please like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell, as I do come out with videos regularly. Now, I haven't made too many this past week. That's because I had my my actual phone stand broke, so I had to order a new stand off of Amazon. So that remedy's fixed. So again, look for more steady videos, steady content coming up. Look for that Singularity watch review probably tomorrow morning to drop. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.